Never you do these things I'm going to list in this video. Like, if you don't want your YouTube channel to be banned or your videos to be deleted after a lot of struggle, you all know how it is very difficult for you to grow your YouTube channel, or for you to be even monetized, for you to get the 4,000 watch hours and for you to get the subscribers before you be monetized. And after all of this, you go and do all these silly mistakes that will make YouTube to ban your channel, and also they will delete your videos. Please, you have to avoid these things I'm going to list in this video, because I'm talking from experience. One of these things has also affected my friend channel recently. This is what happened. Gets to a YouTube channel without a notice and started uploading pornographies on her videos, and YouTube did not even send her any warning message. They just go ahead and banned her YouTube channel, which she's still struggling with up to now, and now she's going to rectify that issue. So please, you have to avoid these things I'm going to list in this video, and you have to pay attention to everything I'm going to list in this video, so that you won't be a victim after struggling for you to get monetized. At the end of the day, YouTube will now ban your channel. So please pay attention to this video and grab whatever you are going to grab. Now, first on our list, we have misleading content. A lot of us are posting misleading content, especially small YouTubers or new YouTubers. If you are just new to this YouTube street and you don't even know the kind of content you want to start posting, and you just go ahead and start posting content that are misleading the people. But before I said whatever I want to say about misleading content, let's check this out from my research. Misleading content. YouTube doesn't allow spam, scams, or other deceptive practices that take advantage of the YouTube community. We also don't allow content where the main purpose is to trick others into leaving YouTube for another site. Now, this is it. Once you start posting misleading content that is leading people away from the YouTube community, YouTube is going to ban that account. First of all, they will delete that video, and once you continue posting such video, YouTube is going to ban your account. Now, example of misleading content. There are some persons that the thumbnail, they will customize the thumbnail that is all about maybe how to make $100 in a week. And once you click on that video, you're going to see a different video entirely. Now, what kind of information are you passing to that viewers? Those are misleading content. They have some that I saw recently, how to trick MTN network for you to get free data, right? Once I click on that video, it was totally different thing. I even click on that code and it did not even work, guys. You see, so those are content YouTube don't like it, whereas people will come and search for something else on the platform, and at the end of the day, they will watch something different they don't even want to watch on the platform, and those people will just swipe away. So YouTube is going to ban your account. So please, if you know that you are posting misleading content, you have to stop it now. The second on our list is don't use email you use on your channel on other businesses. This is because of scammers are everywhere. Scammers are real. Don't use your email you use on your channel for other businesses. Instead, open a different email for your business and let your email for your YouTube content, let it be different. Scammers are everywhere. Scammers are real. So please avoid this. I'm saying from experience, avoid doing this mistake. Thirdly on our list is stop connecting your channels to different platforms. Yes, I know that you must have watched a lot of videos where other content creators are talking about connect your channel to this platform or link your channel to this platform for you to get 1,000 subscribers. Do this, link your channel to this platform for you to get 4,000 watch hours, because you want to do it the short way for you to get monetized. Don't link your channels to any platform, because once you start linking that channel to other platform, just know that you are not the only one that have access to that channel. Yes, you are not the only one that have access to that channel. Some persons can hack into that channel and they will start posting videos that are not related to your content, and with that YouTube is going to ban your account. This is what exactly happened to my friend. She linked her channel to one other platform. Without a notice, they hack into her channel and they start posting pornography on her YouTube channel, and YouTube did not even send her a message. They just go ahead and banned that channel, which she's still struggling on how to rectify that issues now. So please be careful on the kind of platform you link your YouTube channel to. Avoid this. Don't do it. Don't try it. Whatever the shortcut that they will tell you that do this, you're going to get this, do this, don't do it. And whatever video you watch in this YouTube street, make sure you try and make your research. It is very, very important. Make your research for you to know if you are safe or not, if you should go ahead with this or not before you start implementing them on your channel. It is very, very important before all your efforts will just be wasted. The fourth on our list is don't overuse hashtags. Now, before I talk on this, let's check this out. Read from my screen. YouTube hashtags policy. The more tags you had, the less relevant they become for viewers or listeners who are searching. If a video or playlist has more than 60 hashtags, we ignore each hashtags on that content. Over-tagging may result in the removal of your video from your upload or from search. Now, this is what it's all about. There are some persons that once they upload video, they'll go ahead and put 100 hashtags, especially hashtags that are not even related to the video you uploaded. Now, it is very important for you to select the kind of hashtags you use on your videos for YouTube not to delete that video and for it not to be on search. Because once it is like, if you want to use hashtags, use relevant hashtags. Use relevant hashtags for your videos that are related to what that video is all about, so that YouTube is not going to delete your videos. So it is very, very important. Make sure you know the kind of hashtags you use on your video. Stop downloading videos from other platforms and post on your YouTube channel. Other platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, especially those videos that have watermarks on them. Once you upload such videos, YouTube is going to ban your account. I know you have come across some videos where they will talk about you should go to Instagram and download videos and post it on your shorts. You're going to get subscribers in how many minutes? You're going, okay, now the subscribers you are getting from those videos, are they subscribers that are interested on your videos? No, there are no subscribers that are interested on your channel. So don't go to other platforms and start downloading videos all in the names of you want to get subscribers. It's going to affect your channel, especially if you are monetized. YouTube is going to demonetize that account. Please avoid downloading videos from other platforms for you not to get your YouTube channel banned. These are just the things that you should never do, especially as a small YouTube content creators, or if you are monetized or you are just trying to start up a YouTube channel. Avoid this so that you won't fall a victim. Thank you for watching this video. If you feel this video was helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on our next one. Bye guys.